Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful drink for you today. Today, I'm going to be making a pineapple detox for weight loss because pineapple has so many wonderful benefits for weight loss. I'm also going to list that into the video so you can see the powerful benefits that we're going to get from using pineapple. All right, so let me just give you some of these ingredients right now. It's so easy. Just 3 simple ingredients to lose weight in this detox. Now there's 2 ways you can make this. You can either infuse this or you can blend it. Well, today, get out your blender because we are going to be blending it. So you're going to be needing a pineapple, a cucumber, and some delicious, wonderful mint leaves. I'm going to only need half a cucumber, and this is a very big cucumber. Alright, I'm going to de-skin this cucumber because it's not organic. So if your cucumbers are not organic, you want to de-skin them as well. Okay, next we're going to need 1/3 cup of our mint leaves. And I'm going to slice the cucumbers so this way it's easier to get inside of the blades when it comes to blending. And cucumbers usually spring a lot of water. Next, I'm also going to add my 1/3 cup of mint leaves. And lastly, I'm going to work on slicing and cutting my pineapples. So for now, I'm just going to cut the outer parts off. That in our blender, and now we're going to blend this up. So now let's blend this up. That's it. We're going to pour this. Now you can either put some ice in there if you want it a little chill. But look at that. Wonderful, refreshing, summer ready drink. Okay, just going to pop my straw in there and your drink is ready. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell so this way you will not miss another video. And also, if you wish to donate to this channel, I have links below that you can be a blessing to this channel. So this way I can bring to you better content. And until the next video, I will see you then. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.